Here I have OnePlus 8T, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So firstly, you will need your device. Here you have the SIM card slot here. You will need this kind of tool to pull out this slot. So you just put device into this hole. The slot will come out. You just pull it like this. And here in this side you have the slot for SIM 2, and the other side you have the slot for SIM 1. And here we have to put our SIM, and then we just put it like this back into the phone. And as you can see, it requires a pin to unlock the SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.